we've been doing a lot of content about other cars, but we have never really shown you the car that we go around in. This is my i20 N-Line. This is a 2025 year model, and this is the automatic version. 1 liter turbo petrol engine, and I have completed close to 11,000 kilometers now. So we thought we'll do a quick review on this car. Yeah, so let me explain the car. So like you see, this is the profile of the car. इसमें थोड़े से स्क्रैचेस दिखेंगे बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली ब्लैक कलर है एंड इट्स बॉम्बे, तो थोड़ा ना थोड़ा तो कुछ ना कुछ होगा. सो यू सी सम मार्क्स ओवर हियर. ओवरऑल द प्रोफाइल ऑफ द कार इज़ कॉम्पैक्ट, इट्स स्मॉल, पर अंदर से बहुत स्पेशियस है, जो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा. तो एज अ यूज़र आपको कभी ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि आप एकदम ही छोटे गाड़ी में बैठे हो. यू विल फील लाइक यू आर सिटिंग इन अ रेगुलर साइज सेडान और व्हाटएवर, जस्ट उसमें बूट छोटा होगा और कुछ नहीं. बाकी इफ़ यू लुक एट द फ्रंट, तो ये आपका DRL है, वेरी नाइस एंगुलर DRL ओवर हियर. यू गेट फॉग लैम्प्स स्टैंडर्ड इन द कार. हल्का फुल्का ग्रिल है जो विच इज़ एस्थेटिकली डन, एंड द मेन पार्ट अबाउट द डिफरेंस फ्रॉम अ रेगुलर N-Line इज दिस रेड लाइन.
एंड आई थिंक यू कैन स्टार्ट द लाइट्स एंड विद द रिमोट.
हाँ, वो सब कर सकते हैं. सो इफ़ आई शो यू द की, आई थिंक वो की अभी भी ऐसी है. You get lock, unlock. If you hold this button, the car starts. So जो भी आपका AC वगैरह का कंट्रोल है वो पूरा आ जाता है इसमें. इसमें ऑब्वियसली तुमको सामने कैमरा वगैरह नहीं आता है. Let me try. नहीं, so it's not happening maybe because I'm standing too close to the car. But इसमें you don't get the ADAS camera and all. But वो रेड लाइन जो है, especially on this black color, it looks pretty cool. But like I told you ना, ये जो डस्ट होता है ना, जितना एलिमेंट होएगा उतना डस्ट जल्दी रहता है. So देखना ये सब, no matter how much you clean it, वो गंदा होता है. Then this is this nice racing inspired, थोड़ा सा वो काउल ये शेप दिया हुआ है on the. It has nothing to do with aerodynamics. Yeah, decent wiper blades, and the glass is also nice and big. So तेरे को vision wise भी ठीक है. इसमें भी you get integrated signals in your rear view mirror, but there's no 360 camera, so that is a miss. I think Polo में, the GT Polo, they have a 360 camera. Hopefully the upgrade of the N-Line should get it, but कितना साल हो गया अभी तक they have not upgraded the car. Now when you come closer, it senses, and it you can basically open the door with this sensor. I've just locked it, but I can unlock it and the car opens. So एंट्री एंड एग्जिट हैज़ नेवर बीन एन इशू. इट्स ऑलवेज वेरी कंफर्टेबल. आई एम 6'3", बट मेरे को बैठने के लिए बहुत कंफर्टेबल है इसमें. सो माई नीज एंड ऑल डोंट टच. अंदर अगर तुम देखोगे तो इट्स अ कंप्लीट ब्लैक इंटीरियर, एंड यू गेट्स अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ एम्बियंट लाइटिंग, बट द हाईलाइट ऑफ द कार is the Bose system. So it has a 6-speaker Bose system. You get a woofer also in the back. I'll show it to you later. Apart from that, you get everything. You get paddle shifters. You get a infotainment touchscreen system जो सब Hyundai में आता है, regular गाड़ियों में आता है. And then you also get this small LED sort of a setup in the center which gives you basic details. बाकी तो ऑटोमेटिक है, थोड़ा सा अंदर से भी दिखाएंगे. बट व्हेन यू कम हियर यू गेट दिस नाइस N-Line बैजिंग हियर, एंड सीट्स आर वेरी कंफर्टेबल. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि बिकॉज इट्स अ स्मॉल कार देयर इज एनी कॉम्प्रोमाइज ऑन कंफर्ट और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. पीछे आओगे तो पीछे भी काफ़ी डिसेंट स्पेस है, बट यूजुअली आई एम ओनली ड्राइविंग विथ मी एंड वन मोर पैसेंजर, और बेसिकली माई वाइफ. So we have not really used the rear seat apart from keeping stuff, but it's a spacious place. Even if you have 2 or more people, you have enough space to take them around in the city. When you look at the tire profiles, एक बार Yash, I think we'll show the tire profile. So these are R16s, 150. Sorry, these are 195 R16s. The tire quality is good, but at high speeds, अगर आप 130, 140 जाते हो, तो then you feel the क्या बोलते हैं उसको, स्टेबिलिटी इज अ लिटिल लेस. सो यू नीड टू ईदर चेंज द टायर्स बट और डोंट ड्राइव टू फास्ट. ऑल्दो दिस इज एन N-Line, इट इज़ सुपर फास्ट, इट्स सुपर केपेबल, बट टायर्स थोड़ा सा लेट डाउन. आई थिंक दे आर मोर सिटी फोकस्ड देन हाईवे एंड हाई स्पीड फोकस्ड. देन व्हेन यू कम एट द बैक, sorry, there are more elements here. You get a spoiler, you get a brake light here, wiper is here. There's no washer in this, but you get that. But this growl of the engine, no, that is super amazing. एक बार मैं चालू करके दिखाता हूँ. Yes, you should yeah, go closer there. So the sound of the car is very good, but when you drive, so अंदर आवाज नहीं आता है. You basically get it only when you're standing outside and you can hear it. So inside it's very calm, it's very nice. I'll show you the boot as well. So in the boot you can keep enough, you can put 2 or 3 bags here. Right now these are my helmets. By the way, this is my AGV helmet which I had got when I'd gone abroad. And this
We
is
have a
the,
video of this coming up soon.
yeah, I think we should talk about that. This is the subwoofer. Yash, ये देखिए Bose वाला subwoofer है. Sound quality is amazing. Bose है तो you know how it is. You can also remove this tray, थोड़ा सा extra space मिलता है, but and you get a full size tire also. Unlike some of these other cars, you don't get that automated tailgate and all, so it's okay. Right, that's basically the profile. The user experience for me, to be honest, the biggest challenge for me in this car is the fact that the mileage is a little poor, but that's what you expect when you get a 1 liter turbocharged petrol engine, right? So it gives me somewhere between, say, 7 to 9 in the city, and on the highway it can go as high as 14, 15, 16 depending on the road and how you manage the throttle. But overall, service standard wise, first service was at 1000 kilometers, which cost me some 40 bucks. Second service was at 10,000 kilometers, and the initial bill that I got was some 9,000 rupees, but then they reduced it to 2,500 rupees when I actually went into detail. So अगर आपकी गाड़ी वैसे आप सर्विसिंग में देते तो please go through all the lines. Most of it is not necessary. They simply extend the bill. It's a perfect city ride machine if you're traveling to work. There's enough space. Even if you have a kid, you can manage in this car. And I got this for about 13 lakh rupees in 2025. I got a 1 lakh discount, so it's pretty expensive, but it's worth the money. It has everything. It has cruise control, it has paddle shifters, you name it. Also get those red caliper brakes because it's an N-line. It still justifies कि वो लाल कलर का caliper है. Braking is great. One of the biggest issues with this car is mileage. उसके अलावा I don't see any other issue in this car. Parking wise, it's great. You can really take it around in the city. You don't have to worry about कि parking नहीं मिलेगा या traffic से कैसे निकलूँगा and all of that. So it's the perfect car. I used to drive bigger cars before this, but I'm very happy with this car. Overall, it gets a sunroof as well, and it gets a very decent sunroof. उससे बड़ा चाहिए भी नहीं. Enough light comes in, and mostly I use it only for light. I never open the sunroof out. Yeah, so that's basically the car. And somebody who is looking for a quick car to drive around in the city, who doesn't want to spend 15, 20, 30 lakh rupees on a car, this is a good car. It's sporty. It's the design is quite nice. I'm sure Yash, तेरे को भी design अच्छा लग रहा होगा. It's also something that we call a hot hatch, and there was only the Polo GT before this, which is no longer available. I'm guessing इसका एक facelift आएगा Hyundai से, because the same design has been going on from the past 5 years now. But the car still sells in good numbers, so maybe that's why they're not changing. And yeah, that's the review of my N-Line i20. And if you're looking to get one, please go ahead and buy it. ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं. It is worth every rupee that you spend, apart from the mileage. So if that thing you're okay with, it's a good car to live with and drive around in the city. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe. Yash, do you have any questions?
Nothing at all. That's all I know.
Do you like the car?
Of course.
Yeah, it's a great car, and especially in this color, I think it's really cool.